What is up, YouTube? Two bikes, one guy here, coming at you from sunny Florida. We're going to be doing an oil change in the 2022 Honda CRF 300 Rally. Let's get after it. Alright y'all, we got the bike all warmed up here. Just going to go over some tools that you're going to need, that are required or that you might want. So first we got 3/8 socket with a 3-inch extension I use on there. You're going to need the 13 mil for your oil drain bolt. You're going to need an 8 mil for the oil filter release plate enclosure. Got your oil filter, HF 103 in the high flows. 1.9 quarts of oil is the capacity of this bike. I like to wear gloves when I drain it, and you're going to need an oil catch pan. So let's get set up here and we'll get to it. Okay y'all, I like to work this all from what would be the throttle side of the bike. So pretty much you can access everything over there. You have your sight window, your oil filter cover, and then underneath here is going to be your oil drain bolt right here, and it says oil on it, so pretty tough to mess that up. So let's get set up. Remove your drain bolt. You're just going to want to double check and make sure that your crush washer is still on there. It's safe to go ahead and remove your oil filter cover. That's going to be the 8mm. You will get a little oil out of this, so I move my pan as far as I can. There is a gasket behind this cover. Sometimes it stays on, sometimes it comes off. Be careful of that. There's also a spring that puts pressure on the filter, so try not to let that drop in your oil pan. Okay, there's the spring, and then you can see the spring perch inside there. So I just set those together in there, and we'll wipe that out. You can also see the filter or the gasket on here. We're going to reuse that same gasket. It looks like it's in good shape. Slide your filter off. Your new filter does have a rubber bushing on it right here. I always use a little oil and lube that bushing up. Make sure that it's seated firmly on there and you're ready to reinstall the cover. When I retorque these bolts, I go hand tight, quarter turn, roughly 10 pounds. I don't know what the manual actually says. I may do an update to this video and include those torque specs in there. But if you wrench on your bikes at all, you know. Okay, filter change. Change back over to the 13 millimeter. Reinstall the drain bolt. I'm running the AMSOIL synthetic 1040, 2 quarts. I'm going to do about a full quart and 3/4 of another quart, and then I'm going to check it in the sight glass. And I'll add about 3/4 of this one. And then I'm going to simply just pull the bike upright to level. Which is roughly right there. And we check our sight window right there. What I'll do is start the bike up and let it run for 30 seconds and let the oil circulate, and then we'll do a recheck on it. And as you can see, we did lose a little bit, so we're going to top it off now to the proper amount. And now we are perfect in between those two lines on there. Put your oil filler cap back on. Maybe. And that's it. Oil change on the 2022 Honda CRF 300L Rally. Thanks for watching. See you next time.